May bangayan na naman sa Kamara ang dapat sanay sagutan sa pagitan ng mga mambabatas at resource persons sa flood control investigation na uwi sa girian ng mga kapwa kongresista. Yan ang agenda report ni Joan Manalo.
Nagkainitan sina Deputy Speaker at Iloilo Representative Janet Garin at Sagip Party List Representative Paulo Marcoleta sa pagdinig ng House Infrastructure Committee kahapon patungkol sa mga maanumalyang flood control project. Gigisahin dapat ni Garin si former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan kung paano pinoproseso ng ahensya ang kanilang project proposals hanggang sa pagbuo ng annual budget. Pero si Marcoleta biglang nag-point of order.
Sorry to interrupt. Hindi po kaya nabanggit na po ni Secretary Bonoan yung tanong po ni Congresswoman Garin sa pagtatanong po ni Congressman Erice. This is just a duplication of the question propounded by Congressman Erice.
But I think we have to give her the honor of asking the question.
Even if it's a repetition of what was asked
Mr. Chair,
earlier.
what rule did my question violate?
Dito na nagsimulang magalit si Garin.
May I appeal to our colleagues, magrespetuhan tayo. Kung tiyempo nyo naman, pwede kayong magtanong. What law did I violate in asking a question, Mr. Chair? Hindi na po ba ako pwedeng magtanong? Kailangan ba yung tanong ko, ipaalam ko kay Congressman Marcoleta?
Pero hindi nagpatinag si Marcoleta.
Binanggit ko lang po na natanong na po kasi ni Congressman Erice yung pong katanungan ng ating
That's why, Mr. Chair, I mentioned that my questions is in line with the question of Congressman Erice. That's why I'm setting the premise. Let's move forward, Mr. Chair. Sayang ang oras.
Natapos ang mainit na sagutan ng dalawa nang pinayagan ng magtanong si Garin. Hindi ito ang unang beses na may nakabangayan si Garin sa pagdinig kahapon dahil nakasagutan din ito sina Voltas Representative Toby Tiangco.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this para lang sabihin hindi ako
Mr. Chair, with due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
No, Mr. Chair.
I have the floor.
Just to on the
I have the
record,
floor.
Nag-ugat ang kanilang bangayan sa mosyon ni Caloocan Representative Edgar Erice na imbitahan sina former House Appropriations Committee Chair Zaldi Co at former Senate Finance Committee Chair Grace Poe sa pagdinig. Para sa agenda, Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.